Just left our car in the car park of the Redwood Reserve. We're going to the visitor center now to see what trails we should do. And I also have to use the bathroom pretty bad. Excited?
Very excited.
Let's do it. So we've decided to do 2 hikes. We're starting out with the Redwood Memorial Grove. As you can see, we're surrounded by redwood trees right now. This is a shorter hike. It's supposed to take 30 minutes. Probably take less than that. And then after that, we're gonna do an 11-kilometer hike all the way out to a lookout point. See you around. Partway through our walk in the Redwood Memorial Grove, you can see there's a pretty big tree right there. And then there's this big one right next to me right now. It goes up and up and up and up. Well, we've reached the fork in the path. We've decided instead of continuing with the Redwood Memorial Grove track, we're going to do the Tokorangi track, the purple one, the super long one. It's supposed to have a really good viewpoint, so here's hoping. Further down the trail now, we have a break in the trees. So much sun! Oh, almost tripped. Another fork in the road. Looks like purple's going straight up this stairwell here. It's been an interesting hike so far. Get a perspective of me hiking. And we smelled some potentially tea leaves or peppermint trees, we're not sure, and sulfur. A lot of confusing scents in this place. Just went by a horse trail, didn't see a whole lot of horse poo, so you know, that's good. It seems like we're maybe close to the top of this hike. Not quite sure, but there's a lot of pine trees up here. Probably for some sort of a farm, I imagine, based on the looks of them. And some palm-looking fern trees, maybe. Oh, our first sign of horse droppings. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was fun.
So we've been hearing cicadas, and we finally have seen one right here. I don't know if you can hear the cicadas in the video, but if you can, these little suckers are what's making that obnoxiously loud noise.
We are now walking back up the hill because somehow we missed the viewpoint. But maybe we'll see it this time. Here we are at the fabled viewpoint. Ferns. Lauren's in the bag now, so she won't let me move now. Hang on, here we go. Here's the viewpoint. Ooh, you can kind of see the city from here. And the lake. It's not bad. But really they should reconsider calling this a viewpoint because you can't really see much other than trees and a little bit of the city. Was it worth hiking back that extra K, Lauren? It was alright. Being passed up by horses now. So here we are at some giant water tank, and it says the trail goes this way. It also looks like some sort of construction and landfill almost, and a bunch of random buildings, and maybe there's the road up there. Lauren just went off to the left to check if there is some sort of a water source or river. We just found ourselves some drinking water in the middle of the path, so we're gonna fill up some water bottles and take a drink. Get it. Nice. Almost. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. Filling that water bottle. Concentration. Here we are, heading back on the trail. It's mostly a gravel road at this point, which feels kind of funky when you're wearing barefoot shoes. You can feel every little rock and stone underneath your foot. You got a nice little view of these pines here surrounding us. So many of them. It's crazy. Oh, gotta catch back up to Lauren now. Turning off the road now. It's a nice little view into all the pines. You can even see some different ages of pines. They got a lot of young ones over here to the right.
Probably used for logging.
Yep. Gonna make our way down back to probably just a walking trail now. Back into the woods again. Going up some steps. It's a little rough, but we're doing it. Coming down a stretch of the hike now where it's on the road. Apparently we have to share this with cars and other vehicles. I'm not sure how close we are to the end yet, but first part was definitely more scenic.